Lately, something very serious has been on my mind, and today we gotta talk about it. Let's be real now, everyone. My content sucks. Now, I'm not saying that to get pity or anything like that, but rather putting down a timestamp as to when my content is forever going to get better. The honest truth is that when I started the channel, I always thought I would just be making point of view driving videos. All of my favorite YouTubers at the time were all POV drivers. Like, I just love driving. I love the exhaust notes. I love watching the corners go down and all the imperfections and gear shifts and everything like that. Driving is what I love more than anything. So that is the direction I wanted to take the channel. The only problem is I realized this is not gonna work for my direction. Many of you had probably found me through my quitting my 9-to-5 job video, which is funny because there was a lot of people in the comments saying like, oh, I don't even like cars and all that. I'm just here for you, which is totally fine. But it made me realize I can't make this a POV driving video. My first leap in subscribers from 30 to 4,000 was all for me. There was no driving even in that video. So this has had my gears turning because I realized I can't make it doing POV videos. The channel is my story, so I've had my wheels turning, no pun intended, just trying to figure out what kind of content to make. I'm trying this and that and this, seeing what works, seeing what doesn't. And sometimes it's just a huge miss. So I'm trying to lock in exactly what people want to see. There's also another huge, monumental, absurd moment in my life coming up here this next month. Let's chat about it, okay? And this time we will be doing a POV drive. So buckle up and let's listen to the S2000 sing. And that's where I'm struggling, because now I don't quite have the direction that I once had starting the channel. There's all these new competing ideas that I feel like I should be working on, and I can't figure out which one is the best to do. This is not the whole point of making the video, but I am actually very curious as a viewer, what do you actually like to see? Like, I really want to see in the comments what it is that you came here to see, because that's what I want to keep making. I mention that because you as a viewer have a direct impact on what I'm making. So let me know what you'd like to see and we'll go ahead and make that the reality. Now, to talk on the big elephant in the room, I got invited to this huge project that will take me away from YouTube for the next 4 weeks. And I know what you're saying, like, dude, what the heck is going on? You're leaving YouTube. Well, don't worry. I'm still recording some videos. When I am away, I will be posting on Sundays at the typical time of 10 a.m. Pacific time. I've had these videos queued up, so I do apologize. I probably won't be in the comment section. However, when I get back, I'll be able to get back to all y'all, and I'll be stoked to take all this new info I'm gathering from this video and just work harder and harder on making great stuff coming into the later half of October. It's crushing because I'm at a great place of momentum with the channel. I feel like I'm finally starting to connect with my dedicated subscribers. My content quality is on the rise, but now I need to take a step back in order to go a route that will ultimately change my life in the coming months. I was invited to be part of this very unique project. Unfortunately, I can't share too much about it right now, but you will be able to see in the near future what I've been up to, so I'm pretty stoked. It's connected to the whole world of YouTube and all that. And I just wanted to go ahead and share that with all of you because you are on this YouTube journey with me. So I want to keep you all updated. If I don't get back to your comments, don't worry. Of course, I'm going to be getting back to you. It's just going to take a little bit of extra time. So for those of you who still want to drop comments, that always helps with the video. I always appreciate you, and I will get back to you in the near future. Anyways, that's it for my big updates as of late. I just want to let you know that content will be getting darn good coming up here in October and even in the next week or two. Let's go out there, let's kick some butt and make some good content. So appreciate y'all sticking along the journey and keep it mellow.